Good morning, students of class first. Okay, today is part 11, chapter 4. Our chapter name is before, after and between. Okay, students, in today's part 11 we study about chapter 4. Okay, in previous part 10 we studied about reverse counting. Okay, and in today's class I tell you about before, after and between, how we use before, after and between in which conditions. Okay, in which numbers we say that this before is apply, and when after is apply, when between is apply. Okay, students, so in today's class I tell you about before and after. Okay, next class I tell you about between. Okay, so I tell you about before and after, how we use before and after. Okay, so students, for example, I tell you, students, you have remembered that in previous class I tell you reverse and forward counting. Okay, in reverse counting I tell you about numbers will be right in before. I tell you in reverse counting as like that, some filling the blanks as like, and here is 4, then which numbers are come in these blanks. Okay, so I tell you that we can use here decreasing order, as well as we say decreasing order, descending orders, then we say here 3 2 1. The reverse counting is as like this, 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is called reverse counting. I tell you about that. When they is filling the blanks as like that, before, what is the means of before? Before means use of before. I tell you first use of before. Okay, which number is comes, okay, before 4? The question is as like that, which number is comes before 4? Okay, there are two types of questions, before and after. First of all, which number is comes before 4, and then we can say that which number is comes before after 4. There are two questions, students, look carefully that what I am saying. Okay, there are two types of questions will be here as like then use of before and use of before and after. The questions will be here that which number is comes before 4. Before means you can say that before means pehle. Okay, so we can say that which number is comes before. In descending we can use here descending order also. Descending order, what is the means of descending order? We say that descending order means first of all greatest one, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. Okay, so we say that in the case of before we use here descending order, which number will becomes before 4. Okay, so we students can write here 3. So we can say that 3 comes before 4. Which number comes before? 3 comes before 4. Okay, students, what is the means of before? Before means we use here in reverse counting. Which number is comes here on the depends on the reverse counting. What is the reverse counting here? Which number will be fill up in this blank? Then here some are blanks as like that. The questions will become as like that, which number is comes before 3? Okay, which number is comes before 3? Then we say 2. Okay, then here we can say that which number is comes before 2? Then we hear 1. Okay, the questions are as like that, which number is comes after 3? After 3 there is 4. We say that 4 is comes after 3. Okay, then which number is comes after 4? So we write here 5, because we know that. Okay, students, so always be remember what is the means of before and after, how we use before and after. Before means reverse. Okay, before means the reverse. We can say reverse counting also. If we have any number, then we write the reverse number as well as. Okay, and what is the means of after? after means upwards counting and forwarding countings we say that, as well as we counting have we can write here. Okay, so don't be confused what is the means of before and after. Most of students will be confusing in this way, what is the before and after, how we sometimes students write as like that, before as after, and after number before numbers. Okay, so don't be confused student, always be remember that before means the counting, reverse counting will be here. Okay, we can write here the reverse. Okay, so what is which number is comes before, you can say as like that plus minus, you can use here plus minus also if the questions will be asked as like that, which number is comes before 4. Okay, it means there he have before, then we use -1 before. Okay, if there are question as like that, which number is comes before 4, then we use -1, means we subtract 1 from 4. We subtract 1 from 4. 4 minus 1, then we have 3. Okay, some short tricks I tell you students in odd and even number. I tell you also that the in part 10 we studied about odd and even number. I also tell you a short trick also to recognize that. Okay, and before and after I tell you also a short trick that if we have any number that before and after, so we use in countings, we don't say questions will be in maths, we have some counting as like -1 +1. If the question says like that, which month is comes before April, okay, May, okay, anything question, so you can say before means you say -1, how we subtract the 1 from the month's name. Okay students, so this is not the right way. In countings we use -1 and +1. Okay students, if we have any number, then we someone asked us about the which number is comes before 23, which number is comes before 24, which number is comes before 37, 78, anything, any have questions we have, then if the mark of before, if the name of before, when the questions will be from the before, we use -1. If the question has like at which number is comes before 78, students look carefully what I am trying to saying, that what I am explaining you. So notice and listen carefully what I am saying. Which number is comes before 78? When the before word comes in the question, you can do here subtraction. Okay, you will be do here subtract. Okay, so 1 subtracted from 78, the answer is 77. Okay, so your answer is 77. You don't be think about that what ma'am saying that which number is comes before 78, decreasing order, increasing order, descending order. Some students will be confusing here. So student, I tell you short trick that you can hear if the name if the word is comes in question before, then you use here -1. If the word will be used here after, then you use here +1. If the question, student always be remember before -1, after +1. Okay, we use here for this is plus. Okay, before, if the question has like which number is comes before, then we use here -1, and which number is comes after, then we use here the question will be here the question will be as like that, which number is comes after 78, which number is comes after, when the question the word is after, then I tell you that you use +1. Okay, +1, then answer is 79. Okay, so student, don't be confused how we give that type of questions in our examination. Sometime when we goes in any occasions in our family, okay, family issues and other ways, we have to go, and then someone ask us about that in which class you studied. Okay, then we tell that I'm studying first class, as well as then someone asks us about that. Okay student, tell me that which number is comes before 79. So student, in this case we have any problem that which ma'am, what ma'am saying that the number is as like descending, increasing, so don't be confused here. You can always be must remember that if the word is in question, the word is as like that before, then you use here -1. Okay, so anyone ask us about that which number is comes before 79, you say that 79 subtracted 1 subtracted by 1, so 1 is subtracted from 79, so 79 minus 1, 78. Okay, so here we write here 78. Okay, which number is comes before 79? 78. Okay students, so don't be confused how I tell you today's class before and after, very simple way I tell you, so you can do easily. Only remember one thing, before -1, after +1. Okay students, don't be confused here which number is comes before. So I tell you something as like that, there is 100. Okay, then here and here are blank. In question there is 100 and here are blank. So here the question will be ask us about that which number is comes before 100. So I tell you, in the before case we use -1, we can do here -1, so 100 minus 1, 99, and in after case we use +1, so 100 plus 1, 101. Okay, so student, very easy method I tell you in today's class, so practice at home more and more times with your parents, so you will be perfect in this type of questions also. I give you some questions that depend of today's topic before and after. So students, your today's homework is your chapter 4. Your today's homework is do exercise. Okay, do questions according this topic. Before and after. Okay, I give you some some questions as like that, before and after. Okay, there is 4 before questions, 4 after questions. You do in your fair notebook and rough fair notebook. Okay, and you do questions of your page number. Okay, some questions are in your exercise 4 page number 18. Okay students, you may do in your book also page number 18. Some questions are given in your book, you must be do in your fair and rough notebook both questions. Okay, your exercise question, chapter question, and these questions also you have to do in your fair notebook. Okay, and these questions page number 18, some before and after questions will be given in your book, and you will be fill in your book and fair notebook. Okay students, with the topic of before, after and between. First of all, you write the chapter 4 and what is the topic name, before, after and between, then you do these questions. Okay, in your fair notebook. Thank you.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Shikshan Sansthan. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.